In the world of finance, exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, have become a popular choice for many investors. These are essentially baskets of securities that you can buy or sell through a brokerage firm on a stock exchange. ETFs are designed to track the performance of a specific index, sector, commodity, or asset. The ETF Cash Trading System, a trading method with a track record of consistent daily gains since 2008, is designed to optimize your trading strategies. It has stood the test of both rising and falling markets. The system is versatile and can be applied to different types of exchange-traded funds or even stocks. The ETF Cash Trading System offers a choice of strategies to suit your trading style. You can opt for 2 trades or 4 trades, depending on how active you want to be in the market. Alternatively, if you're feeling adventurous, you can supercharge your trades with ETF options. The system's guidelines are straightforward and clear. It encourages discipline over gut feelings or modifications. The system recommends closing positions at the end of each day, a strategy that reduces risk and promotes consistency. It also provides you with valuable lessons on how to avoid common pitfalls such as boredom, news-driven trading, and impulsive decisions. The system also allows for breaks from trading, recognizing that everyone needs a breather now and then. The ETF Cash Trading System is not just a method, it's a disciplined approach to financial trading. It's about trading smart, not hard. It's about understanding the market, making informed decisions, and most importantly, maintaining discipline. A system is as good as the results it yields. What were the 2023 results of the ETF Cash Trading System? The year 2023 was another fruitful year for the ETF Cash Trading System. The system's performance remained consistent, achieving an average daily return rate that kept pace with its historical average. The results of daily compounding were impressive. Each day's gains were not just pocketed, they were reinvested the next day, amplifying the potential returns. This strategy of daily compounding can make a significant difference over time. It played a crucial role in the system's overall performance. In 2023, the ETF Cash Trading System continued its impressive performance. The system advises against trying to time the market and recommends closing positions at the end of each day. Whether you're a financial enthusiast or a seasoned trader, the ETF Cash Trading System offers a proven strategy to optimize your trading and potentially increase your returns.